Hi there, my name's Desiree Smith, and I live in Scotland in the United Kingdom. And I've joined People Helping People Club just to get out there and help other people and change their lives, meet new people, and just basically enjoy life and make money doing it.
Rock on, Desiree Smith. Let me ask you something, Desiree. How long ago did we meet, and do you remember the day?
Yes, 2nd of November.
And how long did it take me to get you to say hello to me? You're not going to say it, I know that, but
A long time.
Right, it's been a long time, but we've been friends a long time for now, have we not?
Yeah.
And you do a lot of stuff for the People Helping People Club.net, don't you? And
I do work in the background a bit.
we love you for everything you do. Would you possibly be able to share your Crypto Builder back office just to show where you're at on this system that we're using? If you would, I'd appreciate that.
There we go.
Great. All right. If you would scroll up your page for me, Desiree, a little bit. What we want to do is we're going to share with the people. And what date did you join with a Crypto Builder and us? What is the date up there?
The 7th of June.
7th of June. And it says that you have earned how much down there total?
Total is 140.
240, isn't it? Or is that
no,
140?
Well, total earned is 140.
Right, and down below that it says $80 is your balance, right?
Yeah.
For the folks that don't understand that, the $80 is like a little piggy bank. And all of your funds go into this little piggy bank. And when that piggy bank gets full enough to fill the next level, which is your level 3, right there?
Yeah.
Cost $80 to do that. So that little piggy bank is going to poop that $80 and it's going to put you into level 3. So it's like a piggy bank that is storing your money and it takes out the next level first. I say poop. It poops out the next level first and then it's going to buy you another position for the next $20. So this little piggy bank. So, and you've got 2 positions in here, right?
Yeah.
And you didn't cost any money to get in here?
No.
Will you scroll down and share your screen just a little bit down below there? You got 2 active positions. One's that's on level 2 and one that says level 1, don't you?
Yeah.
Wow. And what was your first feeling when you started on this?
That it was going to be the biggest load of rubbish out.
And rubbish means a bunch of bullcocky, right? Something of that nature, right? So, hey, I would like you to, you've got a couple of referrals already, don't you, dear?
Yeah.
Would you click over there and just show us what your referrals? Now, these referrals are people that have donated to you, huh?
Yeah.
And look, we've got how many there? 3?
3, yeah.
3 people that are active referrals that have donated to you. That's pretty darn good, isn't it?
Yep.
And since that date. So if you would stop screen sharing with me, Desiree, I appreciate it. Really, I do. And thank you very much for coming and hanging out with me tonight and for doing this little video. Why would you say the biggest thing about People Helping People Club.net? What's the biggest thing about it?
I think the biggest thing is I just enjoy the company. I enjoy meeting the people. And you know what? Actually, no, I'll be dead honest. It's a load of fun.
Well, thank you. I do appreciate you, dear. I do appreciate it, and we love you. Thank you so much. And we're going to pause for.
Hello, my name is Teddy Weber. I'm from Cape Town in South Africa. I'm a retired PGA professional golfer, and I've been very lucky to have found this new program called People Helping People Club.net, which, thanks to my good friend Ron Thompson, looking around in other programs all over the World Wide Web, I managed to find this really, really fantastic little program which is here in front of you. My special thanks go to Chuck Shadak, who has kindly helped me go through all the behind the scenes work, and I found it very easy all of a sudden, because we can actually talk to somebody and get help instead of trying to do it all yourself. And it's been fantastic, really, honestly. And I've actually made some money as well. So it's been a nice little program for me to get involved in.
Hey, Teddy Weber, that's Edward Weber, right?
That's correct.
Oh, hey, Teddy, great, man. Would you do me a favor? Could you share your back office with the group that we are part of? It's called Crypto Builder, isn't it?
That's correct. Yes, Crypto Builder.
Yeah, we're going to show the people what we call the pudding. And the pudding, we got the recipe, and we're going to show the pudding. And what you're seeing here, and I'm going to walk through it with Teddy as we go through it. Up at the top, what date did you join our team, Teddy?
It was the 28th of May.
28th of May. That was great. That was actually 10 days after I started on it, Teddy. Great job. Now, you can see that Teddy has received 2 donations for a total of $40. Is that right, Teddy?
That's correct. That's
right.
correct.
And he's got, how many active positions do you have, Teddy?
I have now, I think I've got 9
2
altogether.
He's got
2 there. Two there.
Yeah. All righty. And down below it says you have totally earned how much?
I've totally earned
$140, right?
That's correct.
Right. If you would scroll back up just for a minute. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, down there in the balance, it says $80, doesn't it, Teddy?
That's correct.
The first $80 that everybody gets when they are on level 2, which you are on, goes to the next position to get you upgraded to level 3, right? Ready?
That is correct. I'm really on level 3, correct, yes.
Exactly. And if you can scroll down a little bit, you'll see the active positions that Teddy has. He has 2 positions because the system automatically, and that's the key, automatically purchased it for him. Is that right, Teddy?
Correct. I don't have to do anything. It just puts it all out for you.
Exactly. If you would scroll back up the page there, Teddy, I do appreciate you sharing it with us. And I'll tell you what, if you'll stop screen sharing for just a minute, that would be great. And if you would, just let the people know where they want to go to join us. Isn't it peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net?
That's right. You need to go to peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net, and then you will watch the video there, and you'll be taken, which is so fantastic, you'll be taken right through to the Zoom office where there'll be somebody there who will just help you, and they'll help you to do everything you need to do. So you don't have to be scared of working a computer. You just go into that Zoom room, and they'll talk to you, and they'll do everything you need to be done. So it's very easy.
Teddy, thank you so much. And you are in South Africa, is that correct?
That's right. I'm in Cape Town in South Africa.
Me, I'm in the middle of the USA, just north of Kansas City. Now, the odds of me and this wonderful golf professional ever crossing paths is probably 1,000,000 to 1.
Well, I would say so, really. And it's not only, I mean, yes, being with you, but since I've been in the program as well, I've met people from all over the place. Oh my gosh, I just can't, it's hard to just mention everybody. But we come into the Zoom office every night and have a chat and see what's happening. So it's really great. It's really great.
Thank you, Teddy Weber. Look, folks, thanks again. We're going to have more folks coming in and sharing their testimonies with you. Why we like peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net. It's because we're helping people everywhere around the world. Thank you, Teddy Weber. We appreciate it, brother.
A pleasure. Pleasure.